Hello everyone, welcome to GS and Genius. So in this course we are going to learn the Arduino Cloud Platform, a modern way to work with Arduino completely online. No installation, no complicated setup, just simple and powerful development from your browser. What if you could write and upload Arduino code from anywhere in the world? So no software installation, no errors, no wasting time. Just open your browser and start building your projects. So that's exactly what we are going to explore in this course. Traditionally, so working with Arduino can be frustrating. You need to install software, maybe deal with versions conflicts, fix drive issues, and sometimes you have to spend more time troubleshooting than expecting building. This is where many beginners get stuck. To solve this problem, we use Arduino Cloud. It's an online platform where you can write code, upload programs, and even monitor your devices all from your browser. So it's make development faster, easier, and more flexible. So in this course, you will go step by step. First, we will set up your Arduino Cloud account. So then we will explore the dashboard and interface. After that, we will create projects, write code, and upload it direct online. So we will also connect real hardware, build IoT dashboards, and finally create real world projects. Here is what the platforms look like. So you will be working with an online code editor, device management system, and cloud dashboards. So everything is organized and easy to use even for beginners. So let's look at why this is powerful. First, actually no installation required. Second, you can access your projects from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. So that's the built-in IoT features. And fourth, automatic updates. So this means you can focus on building instead of fixing problems. This course is designed for specialist beginners starting Arduino and engineering students, IoT enthusiasts, and even developers who want fast workflows. So no matter your level, you can follow along easily. Designed to be simple and practical. We will go step by step with real demonstrations and clear explanations. Make sure to follow the videos in order for the best learning experience. And if you are excited to learn Arduino in a smarter and safe way, make sure to subscribe to GS and Genius. And in the next video, we will start by creating your Arduino Cloud account. So let's begin your journey.